Alright, Dad, so here's the last part of your homework. So this should go by quickly. It says, use date value to convert text data to dates. So this will be simple. It says, click Birth Dates Sheet tab and select cell D4. Okay, so the problem is the dates were imported as a text and can't be read. So basically you're going to convert these dates into a number, and then the Excel will convert the number into a date. Okay? So we'll start here. So birth dates sheet, cell D4. Okay. It says select cells D4 to D23 and cut and paste them into G4, G23. Okay, so remember our cool trick, hold Command, hold Shift, and hit down. Boom, highlights that whole column. And then hold Command X is cut. And then we'll go over to G4, and we'll hit Command V to paste. Boom. Okay. Next it says, select cell H4 and use date value to convert the date in cell G4 to serial number. Okay, so H4 is right there. We're going to spread this out so we can see it a little bit better. We're going to hit equals date value, parentheses, and we're just going to click on G4 and close parentheses. Hit enter. Okay, so basically it converted this into a number. All right, and so we're going to take this number and we're just going to copy this all the way down. Okay, so it converts every single one, so it goes all the way down. Okay, and that was step D, which we just did. Okay, then it says select cells H4 to H23 and copy them to the clipboard. Okay, so Command C, and then it says click cell D4, click the arrow that says paste, and choose values. Honestly, you can just hit Command V, or if you're worried and you want to be really exact, just two-finger click here in D4, go to paste special, and then click just values. And then hit OK. Boom. So those are all the values that come with it. Alright. So that was step F. Step G is to format the values in column D, remember column D, to use the short date format. So to highlight column D, we go up to column D, and then click when that arrow turns black like that, and go boom, that's all of column D. Now we're going to come up here and format this to short date, and we'll click it, and boom, there's all the conversions. Then the next step in H is to hide columns G and H. So we have to hide. We're going to highlight columns G and H. So we're going to click and hold to highlight. We will two-finger click and go down to hide. Boom, just like that. Okay. Now those are hidden. And then it says apply all borders to the data and make columns B through D each 13.57 wide. Okay, easy. So to all the data, so all of this is data right here, not the title, but these headers here and these numbers and names are data. So we'll click here in A3, and we'll hold Command Shift down. Now notice that grabs a column. Now if you hold Command Shift and then hit the right arrow, it'll grab all those too. Pretty cool trick. And we'll go up to here and we'll change this to all borders. Boom, just like that. Okay, so that gives you that look. And then I believe it said, oh, we're going to make columns B through D 13.57. So we're going to highlight columns B, C, and D. We're going to two-finger click any of them. So two-finger click this one, row to column width. And we're going to change this to 13.57 and hit OK. And that's it. And that's your homework. Hope you enjoyed it. Should get 100% now. Okay. Don't forget to hit Command S to save this once you're done.